How to use dual SIM on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you use dual SIM on your iPhone. So let's get started. At first, you'll have to just check for your device or iPhone whether it will support dual SIM or not. Like your iPhone XS, XR or newer version, it will support dual SIM like one physical SIM plus one eSIM. For that, to activate the eSIM, you'll have to open settings. From settings, tap on cellular, and from your as usual, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option add eSIM, and from your tap on use QR code. Alright, so from this section you'll have to just scan the QR code of your eSIM, as you can also enter the details manually. For that, tap on enter details manually at the bottom, and from here you can provide your SMTP plus address, your activation code and confirmation code. After you add it, tap on next just at the top right. After you follow up all of the procedure from here, you'll be able to activate another SIM on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.